Hello, my name is Ella Williamson, and I am here to give you a tutorial, a step-by-step guide to how to get on or how to utilize the AT tool, text to speech and speech to text. The first thing you need to do is log on and get on the internet. Once you get on the internet, Chrome is your browser. You're gonna uh, click on that those boxes, and you're gonna click on Google Docs. Once you click on the Google Docs, you're gonna click on or open uh, the blank Google document. Once you do that, you're gonna what you're gonna do then is go to Tools, and let me see tools for you. Let me find it. Uh, Trying to find tools. Trying to find tools. All right. So you're gonna go to Tools, click on Tools, and then you're gonna click all the way down until you see voice typing. Then you're gonna click on. It's gonna have this dialog box that has click to speak. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna click on the microphone box, and then you're gonna choose. I will just choose allow at this time. So now I will begin to speak in, and it will type everything that I am saying. Okay, and when I am done, I will say stop, and that will be the end, and it keeps on going. All right. Now, what we need to do to go to text to speech, we're gonna stop. I'm gonna go back to tools. I'll go back to the voice, to the microphone. I'll click off. I'll go back to tools. No, I won't have to go to tools. I will go right here. And the same thing that I have written, guess what? Okay, how did you like that? That's how it works. All you have to do is click this button on the, and it will come and do it on its own.